Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinkin. In today's video, I'm going to talk about, obviously, that we have a new Bitcoin all-time high. We have seen already Bitcoin above 111,000 US dollar. Okay, let's talk about also a little bit what can happen next, because I think it's very important. Also, we could see stock market going down, and this is basically because 30-year Treasury yield spikes to 5.09%, and these long-term Treasury yields are just going up, which is obviously not good. Nobody wants them, kind of. And then let's talk about that the White House crypto Caesar David Sachs says that stablecoin bill will unlock trillions for US Treasuries. I'm going to show you the interview, and obviously let's talk about altcoins as well, because if Bitcoin is going this direction, what it is doing right now having new all-time high, altcoins can follow. So guys, all this in today's video. Obviously, today is Bitcoin Pizza Day as well. So don't forget, if you would like to keep yourself up to date, then simply just subscribe to this channel, because every single day I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Next week, I'm going to the United States to the Bitcoin conference, so I will broadcast from there. So I will keep you up to date also what's happening over there in the US. And yeah, if you like this kind of content, hit the like button. And now let's do it. So when we're looking at the prices, we can see that Bitcoin is, well, it's 4.3% up in the last 24 hours, 110,760 US dollar. Ethereum 6% up, 2,675 US dollar. Top gainers, SPX 24% up, Dogvit had 20%, Fartcoin 20%. We always see some meme coins starting to booming in this case. Losers, no real losers, to be honest with you. And when we're looking at now the Bitcoin candlestick chart, let's put it together with the first topic, which is the new Bitcoin all-time high. So yeah, we're building it up pretty nicely. Before yesterday, we had the highest daily close, but now officially we have new Bitcoin all-time high, and we actually closed above the previous all-time high, so that was definitely bullish. And today it continued, and today we all the way went up to 111,903 US dollars so far when I'm making this video. Maybe by the time you're watching it, it's actually even higher. When we're looking at Bitcoin dominance, today only started to go a little bit down. You know, for a couple of days, again, it went up. And because it started to go down, some of the altcoins started to go up. And you can see that this chart, it's not including Bitcoin and Ethereum, but the rest. So the altcoins market cap, it's now above 922 billion US dollar. And even the small altcoins started to grow a little bit, you know. As you can see today, that turned green as well. This is the altcoins out of the top 10. Right. And yeah, well, that's the fact what really just happened. And very important, you know, gold cross is also coming up. Check this out. If let's put in the 50-day and the 200-day moving average, but we are on the, hang on, and Bitcoin. Yeah. So look, we have here now the gold cross. And usually when gold cross is happening, then after that, Bitcoin price started to go up higher and higher. According to this one, 45-60%. So Bitcoin is nearing gold cross. That has led to 45-60% price rallies in the recent past. So that could be actually very interesting. Then global, you know, M2 money supply versus Bitcoin, you know, it working like clockwork so far. And if that continues, you know, yeah, we're going to have corrections, obviously, but, you know, it can go actually higher and higher. So this is so far so good. When we're looking at exchanges, you know, exchanges inflows, so people sending Bitcoin to exchanges to sell it, actually are down 82% since November. You can see it. So actually that's massive as well. People accumulating, the majority is not going to sell. And when we're looking at here the BTC liquidation heat map, then we can see that this area started to get clear again. Yeah, we have some here, some liquidations can come up, short one, long ones in either direction. But now, right now, we are kind of clear zone. We cleared, this one out. So for now, we are good. Yeah. Next topic is actually the stock market went down, and why that happened. Let's talk about that. So obviously what was not good was that the 30-year Treasury yield spiked to 5.almost 10%. You can see that the 10-year yield hit 4.61%. And this is high. It shows clearly that people don't really want these bonds. That's why the treasuries. This is the reason why actually the yield going up. Here you can see that we had the bond 20-year bond auction, and well, it didn't go too well. It was very very weak. Again, showing the message. People are not interested to buying them. But this is actually, as you can see, good for Bitcoin because they're looking for other alternatives. They're not trusting fiat-backed bonds. Right. Okay, let's talk about what David Sachs said about the stablecoin bill. Well, I have the interview here for you guys. But anyway, so the crypto Caesar David Sachs says stablecoin bill will unlock trillions for US Treasuries. And listen to this interview. Let's put some volume because it's a bit low volume.
From benefiting from this kind of legislation?
Well, so first of all, we have significant bipartisan support for this. I think 15 Democrats voted for the bill to pass this key procedural threshold of cloture, which means there'll be no filibuster against the bill. We have every expectation now that it's going to pass. And I think the reason it's going to pass is because stablecoins offer a new, more efficient, cheaper, smoother payment system, new payment rails for the U.S. economy. It also extends the dominance of the dollar online, and it also creates billions of dollars or trillions of dollars of demand for our treasury. So I think for all these reasons, the stablecoin bill is going to pass, and it's going to pass with significant bipartisan support.
How long do you think before stablecoin would start to really have that dollar support effect you're talking about?
I mean, I think it'll be immediate. So we already have over $200 billion in stablecoins. It's just unregulated. And I think that if we provide the legal clarity and legal framework for this, I think we could create trillions of dollars of demand for our treasuries practically overnight, very quickly.
I understand that.
See, that's very, very interesting. But, this is what coming up. This bill probably going to pass. And if that's really happening, then stablecoin could be the new playground. And actually, if these stablecoins will be then regulated, which are out there, then it will be a much safer thing to, store anything in stablecoin, even when you would like to jump in and out from altcoins, in, out altcoins, or even Bitcoin. And makes trading and buying things even much easier, and definitely can boost other markets just like the treasuries. All right. Okay. Next topic, and now let's talk about a little bit about the altcoins. Well, and usually when Bitcoin goes up, altcoins follow. So Bitcoin is roaring, and the analyst saying altcoin could be next. Look at the Bitcoin altcoin season chart. Bitcoin altcoin season, Bitcoin is really down at 18. If you look at this, it's really, really low, which means Bitcoin price is going. But usually after, a Bitcoin season, as you can see, up and down, and altcoin season is coming when altcoin is getting stronger. But first, Bitcoin is the one which is running. So if everything continues in the way we are right now, then actually this can come up, sooner or later. We should definitely watch what's going to happen in the next couple of weeks. Okay, finally, we have today Bitcoin Pizza Day. And that was also a major event back then, it was 15 years ago. because, now as stupid as it sounds that the guy gives 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 pizzas, but back then it was important. It was important, as Laszlo Hayes, who did it, explains here in this interview.
Just posted on the forum. I said, if anybody's interested, I'm offering 10,000 Bitcoins in exchange for some pizza. And somebody there said, hey, I'll take you up on that offer. So I sent him the 10,000 Bitcoin. I said, okay, here it is. I'm waiting for my pizza. And, he phoned it in. He paid with his credit card, and the pizza showed up at my door.
So why was it important? Because first time someone said that, okay, I'm willing to take Bitcoin and I, pay for your pizza. And therefore this was major. Yeah, it, went viral because after Bitcoin price went up, then everybody was calculating how much these 2 pizzas cost, and it's tons of money right now. But anyway, back then I think that was important, and it happened on the 22nd of May. So we're celebrating it today. You can eat a pizza if you're a Bitcoiner. Guys, that's it for today. So as I mentioned, I'm going to the Bitcoin conference next week, actually flying this week, but we'll be there next week. So the videos maybe will be a little bit different until I'm back to the office, but I will broadcast from there and show you what's happening during the conference. I think it will be a good one. Bitcoin just broke a new all-time high, and this is the largest Bitcoin conference in the world. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I bring you the freshest videos every single day. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.